how to fix network lag, bugs, and other packet loss with your Valorant. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you some of the common network fixes for your Valorant game. So the first thing that you can try to do is simply stop those processes that you think might be interfering with your Valorant, especially the other Riot processes. To do that, simply press the Control Shift and Escape key combinations or open the Task Manager. Then from here, try to find those processes that have Riot in their name. So for example, the Riot client could also be an abstraction. So simply right click and click onto this end task and hopefully that will resolve your issue. Apart from that, check your network connection as well and test out the network internet speed. And also what you can try to do is simply go to the device manager and double click onto this. Now it will lead you to the device manager. And from here, what you need to do is simply go to network adapters and from here, click onto your Wi-Fi network. So this is my Wi-Fi line card. Right click onto this, properties, go to the advanced and make sure that within these options, especially like the preferred band, choose it to 5 gigahertz if you have a dual band router. Then also for the transmit power level, try to choose it to the highest option and then click onto the OK option and hopefully this will resolve your network issues. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.